Have you ever heard of trees that bleed or trees with an umbrella-like canopy that seem to defy gravity? Welcome to Socotra Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site brimming with unique biodiversity. This enigmatic island, nestled in the azure waters of the Arabian Sea, is home to some of the world's most peculiar trees. Imagine the dragon's blood tree, an oddity that appears to bleed, and the desert rose, with its gravity-defying umbrella canopy. These aren't figments of a fantasy novel, they exist on Socotra Island. The first mystery we unravel is the dragon's blood tree, a tree that bleeds. In the heart of Socotra Island stands a tree that defies the norms of nature, the dragon's blood tree. Its name is enigmatic as its existence. This tree, unlike any other, is known for its distinct, umbrella-like appearance. Picture a tree that spreads its branches out wide, as if reaching out to the heavens, providing a generous canopy for those underneath. But it's not just its shape that captures the imagination. This tree is a testament to endurance and longevity, with some specimens living for over 1,000 years. Yes, you heard it right, over 1,000 years. It's like a living, breathing history book, with each ring on its trunk telling a tale of a bygone era. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the dragon. This tree bleeds. Not a metaphorical bleeding, but a literal one. It secretes a strange red resin known as dragon's blood. This resin is as magical as the tree itself, with uses stretching far and wide. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, healing wounds, reducing inflammation, and even touted as a cure for diarrhea. Beyond medicine, the resin doubles up as a dye and varnish, bringing a touch of the exotic to everyday items. A tree that bleeds, the dragon's blood tree, truly is a marvel of nature. Now let us unravel the secrets of the desert rose, a tree that seems to defy gravity. In the heart of Socotra Island, you'll find the desert rose, or Adenium obesum, a tree like no other. It's not the tallest or the widest, but it's certainly one of the most peculiar. Its bulbous trunk, resembling a grotesque sculpture, is nature's ingenious solution to surviving in the harsh desert conditions. This tree stores water in its swollen trunk, much like a camel stores fat in its hump, enabling it to survive prolonged periods of drought. But the desert rose is not just about survival, it's also about beauty. Come spring, this grotesque tree undergoes a stunning transformation. It blossoms into a riot of color, bearing vibrant pink flowers that are as beautiful as they are deadly. Yes, deadly. These beautiful blossoms harbor a potent poison, one that can be lethal to livestock and humans alike. Yet in the hands of a knowledgeable healer, this poison can be transformed into a potent medicine. For centuries, the inhabitants of Socotra have harnessed the power of the desert rose, using it to treat everything from toothaches to malaria. But beware, for the line between cure and poison is razor thin. The desert rose, a beautiful yet deadly resident of Socotra Island. But these mysterious trees are facing a threat. What could possibly endanger such unique beings? Well, even the most remarkable of nature's creations are not immune to the challenges of our modern world. For the dragon's blood tree and the desert rose, it's a battle against both natural and man-made threats. Climate change is the invisible enemy, altering weather patterns, increasing temperatures, and causing a shift in rainfall. These changes have a profound impact on the growth and survival of these trees, which are adapted to very specific environmental conditions. Then, there's the impact of human activities. Socotra Island is experiencing a rise in tourism, and while this brings much-needed revenue, it also poses a threat to its unique biodiversity. Unregulated visitors can inadvertently damage the fragile ecosystem, causing harm to these unique trees, but all is not lost. Efforts are being made to conserve these natural treasures. Local communities, government bodies, and international organizations are working tirelessly to protect these trees, with measures like stricter regulations on tourism and tree planting initiatives. However, much more needs to be done. These efforts need to be amplified and supported by everyone, from governments to individuals. Why? Because these unique trees of Socotra Island are more than just strange and wondrous sights to behold. They are a testament to the marvels of nature and remind us of the importance of conservation.